Hey guys, this is Shelby's Adventure coming with you with a dash cam. It's from E-Yeeger. It's the V100 dash cam. It's an app. It has an app on it. It's front only. It has a G sensor. It's a recording. It has a record loop, night vision, 32G SD card with 256 GB memory. 24-hour park mode. It has the Stratus sensor. It's 2.5K video. Right now on Amazon it's $29.99, regularly $49.99. I have a link in the description that will get you to this product. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing of it. It has good ratings. It's #1 review right now. I want to tell you a little story, well, a real life story of the reason why I got this. I witnessed a car accident, and I will put the photo in the video here shortly. So we got the quick connection guide with some stickers, I guess, or something to put. Please use the film, tear off before using it. Okay, this is going to be kind of a short unboxing because there's not really that much here. Here's the camera itself. It's very small, but I wanted it to be small, and I just wanted to do front facing, just because that's all I really need. And here's the wire, power cord. Here's a pry tool. Here's some extra 3M tape, and you got your user manual. So pretty straightforward, not too much in depth, but the main reason I got this was I witnessed a car accident. The woman was okay. She had a medical emergency. I thought maybe at first it was she was on the cell phone or some type of distraction, but it turned out that she wasn't. It was a medical emergency, and I witnessed her hitting two mailboxes, then a trash can, then she went up an embankment and flipped over. But she only was on her side. Like I said, here's the picture. Yeah, so it was pretty bad. So now I'm going to be going out to my Subaru Solterra and installing this. So you'll come along with me with that. Alright guys, we're out at the car now and we're going to install the dash cam. Very simple process here. So we're going to look at this here and this quick connection thing. And there's some QR codes that you scan. So what I'm going to do is scan those. Okay. And it's going to take me to probably an app, I'm assuming. Yes. V-Car. Photo and video. Pretty easy. I'm going to get that in there. Get that on my phone. Open. Agree. So we have to sign up. So we're going to sign my email address. I thank you for hanging around here with me as I set this up. And hopefully we get the verification code. Okay, to not leave you guys waiting, I'm going to just pause it. Alright guys, so I installed the camera. I had to do some putting in some passwords, putting in emails, putting in everything. So the camera's right up here. I gotta plug it in and stuff like that. I'm sorry I left you hanging there, but in my world it was just a few minutes. Your world it was quick. So this is the outlet. So it does not have a battery, an internal battery to power this on. So you have to use the car cigarette lighter or 12 volt 120 volt little thing down here. Mine is down below. I'm going to plug it in. I will figure out later how to route this. Right now I'm going to just plug this in so you guys can see how it works. I only just lost the cord. There it is. Okay, so plug it in right there, and I gotta look for where the power is, and everything just fell down. Sorry, this is my first time doing this kind of thing, so I want to just make sure we get this done right. Let me put the app back up. And you see where the power button is. That's why we have this beautiful owner's manual. So we will look where the power button is. And the power button is, oh, I guess you know what? Silly me, I gotta have the car on. Sorry for the... It talks to you, nice. So, let's see. Next. Connect to Wi-Fi. So, which is our Wi-Fi? The video is locked. Successfully take a photo. Powering off. Camera, Wi-Fi, there we go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know that's a generic password. That is not unable to join. Huh. I don't know why. Okay, well. Okay, hold on. I gotta pause you guys again. Oh. Okay, I gotta pause you guys again. Sorry about that. So, alright guys, I figured it out. Apparently, my app for my camera was kicking off the app for this dash cam. So, that's a little strange, but I guess it is what it is. But anyway, I'm trying to get So that's what had happened. So I can't show you a video of it in action this way. So I'll take a picture of what it looks like, and I'll take a picture through the camera here in a minute, so you can see what it looks like. So you'll see it on your screen. So this has a microphone. So this is the view from my car. Hopefully it's turning out pretty good, and hopefully you can hear me good, and you can see my Mustang right over there. I had to put the windshield wipers on because there's some morning condensation, and this is in the morning. So hopefully this video is good. I'll be right back with you on my other camera. For some reason I can't use my Insta360 Go when I use this. For some reason it's disconnecting each other, or it's disconnecting that camera. So I will be right back with you to follow up and end this video in a few minutes. Alright guys, so this is the dash cam that you get for $29.99 on Amazon. I'll have the link below. And this is what it looks like here in the car. It's very small. So I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully, you know, it will catch some accidents that I may witness. Like I said, that was a horrific accident, a horrific day. I'm still kind of unwinding from it. Hopefully I don't see anything ever like that again. So please like, share, and comment on my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Again, the link to the Amazon account is down in the description for this dash cam. It's the V100 2.5K. I will see you guys on the next adventure. I'm going to be doing another bike adventure here shortly on the rail trail, the Heritage Rail Trail, and I'm going to be taking a train 10 miles and then riding back 10 miles. So that should be very interesting. Also coming up is the year 2 of my Subaru Solterra. I'm going to be doing a review and update on that. I have one more year left on this lease. So that all is coming to this channel. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next event.